You Only Live Once, book. You Only Live Once, The Roadmap to Financial Wellness and a Purposeful Life is a 2016 book written by Jason Vitug. The book sets to redefine the YOLO mantra that has been used to define Generation Y or millennials, to set a mindset shift to cultivate a healthy and wealthy lifestyle for a lifetime. The book focuses on a 3-step process called ACT, an acronym for awareness, creating a plan, and taking control steps, outlined by the author. The book's aim is to make readers define the life they want to live before setting financial goals. You Only Live Once, The Roadmap to Financial Wellness and a Purposeful Life is written in a simple conversation tone based on Vitug's financial experiences and conversations with others. Summary. The book is based on Vitug's financial experiences and conversations with others about their money and life goals. It chronicles a road trip across the country in 2016 in which he traveled 10,218 miles promoting the idea of financial wellness. The focus of the book is to highlight financial wellness as a philosophy of achieving a balance between health and wealth. The main premise has been to make readers understand their values before setting financial goals and using a budgeting method that aligns to their values. Among some of the book's topics are: Vitug emphasis is on increasing awareness in money beliefs and changing financial behaviors that prevent people from achieving goals. Reception. Praise and support. You Only Live Once, The Roadmap to Financial Wellness and a Purposeful Life has sold thousands of books and received overall positive reviews from critics. The book has been reviewed by the New York Times. The Financial Post named the book as one of the top 5 best books in personal finance and economics in 2016, and reviewed by CentRL as overall, this is an easy read, particularly for a book about finances. Some of the ideas and concepts do seem a bit simplistic and idealistic, but there is plenty of straightforward, reasonable advice to make it a worthwhile book.